We have two stunning motorcycles, the Honda XR150L and the Yamaha XTZ 150. Both these bikes promise an exhilarating ride filled with adventure, durability, and top-notch performance. The question is, which one steals the show and wins the hearts of riders? Let's dive into comparison of their power, performance, braking, pricing, comfort, and reliability. Kicking off with the engines, the Honda XR150L flaunts a 150cc air-cooled 4-stroke single-cylinder engine. This beast is capable of delivering 12.4 horsepower and 12.5 Newton-meters of torque, making it a formidable contender in raw power. On the other side, the Yamaha XTZ 150 is powered by a similar engine, yet it churns out 12.3 horsepower and 13.3 Nm of torque. While XR150L leads in horsepower, Yamaha XTZ 150 subtly surpasses with slightly higher torque. Moving on to their suspension systems, the XR150L is equipped with telescopic at the front and monoshock at the rear, ensuring a comfortable ride over uneven terrain. Meanwhile, the XTZ 150 is also furnished with telescopic forks at the front but a swing arm at the rear. Although its suspension system suffices for daily commutes, Honda's monoshock rear suspension might provide an advantage for off-road enthusiasts. Analyzing their braking systems, both bikes come with a single front disc brake, providing sufficient stopping power. However, the rear brakes differ, with Honda employing a drum brake and Yamaha using a disc brake, hence offering better stopping power. In terms of fuel efficiency, both the Honda and Yamaha are almost neck to neck, with Honda offering around 45 km per liter and Yamaha delivering approximately 44 km per liter. Riders seeking fuel economy won't be disappointed with either choice. On the pricing front, the XR150L has a slightly higher price tag than the XTZ 150. But considering the features and performance, the Honda XR150L can be seen as offering good value for money. When it comes to comfort, both bikes have their unique selling points. The Honda XR150L, with its tall stance, sleek fuel tank, and upright seating position, is perfect for long, leisurely rides. As for reliability, both Honda and Yamaha have excellent track records and are known for manufacturing bikes that stand the test of time. However, your personal maintenance, riding style, and conditions will also play a pivotal role in the long-term performance of the bike. In conclusion, the choice between the Honda XR150L and the Yamaha XTZ 150 is not an easy one to make, as both have their strengths. If power, off-road capabilities, and comfort are your top priorities, the Honda XR150L could be your perfect companion. But if you lean towards a sportier vibe coupled with higher torque and superior braking, the Yamaha XTZ 150 might just be your dream ride. The ideal bike for you is the one that aligns with your specific needs and preferences. So, do your homework, consider your options carefully, and make a well-informed decision. Here's to many happy miles ahead. And that wraps up our comparison of the Honda XR150L and the Yamaha XTZ 150. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share our video for more such comparisons. Your engagement helps us bring more content to you. Happy riding!